Life by algorithm. Smart rules for a chaotic world. Your brain is not broken if you sometimes can't decide which movie to watch or which restaurant to choose. That is not weakness. It means you are trying to solve a hard problem. The problem of choice. A problem that could challenge even a powerful computer. But here is the good news. You don't need more willpower. You need a better decision system. Meet Mark. Mark just got a job in a new city, and he has exactly 30 days to find an apartment. Every day, he checks listings, visits places, compares prices. But instead of becoming easier, it becomes harder. If he takes the first good apartment, he fears missing a better one. If he waits too long, the good ones disappear. Mark thinks he needs better intuition, but in reality, he needs a decision rule. The first rule is simple. Don't decide immediately. Observe first. Give yourself time to see what is out there. This is the learning phase. During this time, you don't choose. You observe, you collect information, you calibrate your expectations. You begin to understand what is normal and what is exceptional. And then the moment comes, after that period, the first option. That is better than everything you've seen before. You take it. No hesitation, no endless comparing, no looking back. Think about the last decision. You delayed. How much mental energy did it consume? How much attention did it quietly drain? Every single day. The second rule is about timing. At the beginning of something, you explore. You try different things. You experiment. You allow mistakes. Mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are information. They teach you what works and what doesn't. But as time passes, the strategy changes. You stop searching endlessly. You start using what you already know works. You optimize. You simplify. You conserve energy. Because energy is one of your most valuable resources. So ask yourself this: are you still exploring? Or is it time to start using what you already know? The third rule is about organization. People often try to organize everything perfectly: folders, lists, systems, structures. But perfect organization has a hidden cost. It consumes time. It consumes attention. It consumes life. There is a simpler way. Keep close what you use often. Let the rest fade into the background. Your behavior naturally reveals what matters most. What you return to again and again is what truly deserves space. The fourth rule is about decisions with others. When you give someone too many choices, you give them friction. You give them cognitive load. You make the decision harder. But when you offer just two clear options, the brain relaxes. The decision becomes faster, easier, effortless. Instead of asking, "What do you want to do?" ask, "Do you prefer this or that?" You remove resistance. You create clarity. You make action possible. There is one final trap: over-planning, trying to control every possible outcome, trying to eliminate all uncertainty. But uncertainty is not a flaw. It is a feature of reality. No system can predict everything. This is why simple rules work best. Simple rules survive chaos. Simple rules survive noise. Simple rules survive reality. So remember this: observe first, explore early, optimize later, organize by reality, not by theory. Reduce unnecessary choices. Protect your energy. Protect your attention. Because in the end, your life is not shaped by perfect decisions. It is shaped by consistent rules. Rules that remove hesitation. Rules that reduce friction. Rules that allow you to move forward. And once you have those rules, something changes. Decisions become lighter, clearer, faster. You stop overthinking. You stop draining yourself on endless possibilities, and you begin to move with direction, with confidence, with clarity. That is life by algorithm.